Na. You hear it all the time. What is na? Well, stick around and find out. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. In the last video, I've introduced you to our newest chapter on our journey in learning Tagalog. So, welcome to the start of a long chapter on the Tagalog Enclitic Particles. Enclitic particles are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. In Tagalog, enclitic particles include words like na, pa, ba, lang, naman, etc. Individually, enclitic particles have their own definitions, but collectively, they have common characteristics, particularly on how they affect the context of a phrase or sentences. Like, for example, they are hard to directly translate to English. You can only approximate their meaning to English. They can have multiple meanings depending on the context. They aren't conjugated in the past, present, or future. Their time reference is implied in the context. They add flavor to the context of a phrase or sentence. Phrases and sentences can be formed without enclitic particles, but they will not sound right nor sound complete. Sometimes, vocal tones can change the context of an enclitic particle. In this video, we will start the chapter on the Tagalog Enclitic Particles by discussing one of the most common particles in the Tagalog language, and that is the particle na. The enclitic particle na is equivalent to the English now, already, finally, unlike before, instead of, even though, etc. It is used to convey finality and definitiveness in an action or expressing urgency or expressing time. Now, to fully understand how the particle na is used, let's use it in simple sample phrases and sentences. Let's take a look. The first set conveys definitiveness in doing an action. Now, depending on the situation, the meanings may have slight differences, but here goes. Ako na. I'll go first, or let me do it. Ikaw na. It's your turn, or you do it. Tayo na. It's our turn, or let's go now. Kami na. Let us do it, or it's our turn now. Siya na. Let him or her do it, or it's his or her turn now. Sila na. Let them do it, or it's their turn now. Ayos? The next sample phrases convey definitiveness in possessing something. We will combine the preposition sa, which means in, on, at, from, etc. in English, with personal pronouns. Let's take a look. Sa akin na, let me have it. Sa iyo na, you can have it. Sa atin na, we will have it. Sa amin na, we will have it, or let us have it. Sa kanya na, let him or her have it. Sa kanila na, let them have it. Ayos ba? Are you getting a sense of how na is used? Now, in place of the preposition sa, we will use the adjective nasa, to be with. Here goes. Nasa akin na. It's with me now. Nasa iyo na. It's with you now. Nasa atin na. It's with us now, including the listener. Nasa amin na. It's with us now, excluding the listener. Nasa kanya na. It's with him or her now. Nasa kanila na. It's with them now. Ayos ba? Is the essence of na getting clearer now? Well, there's more and we're barely scratching the surface. But before we continue, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Alright? To continue, na is also used in definitively expressing time or expressing an action at a definite time. Again, the difference is determined by context. Let's take a look. Ngayon na, it's now, or do it now. Ngayong araw na, it's today, do it today. Mamaya na. It's later. Do it later. Mamayang gabi na. It's tonight. Do it tonight. Bukas na. It's tomorrow. Do it tomorrow. Sa Lunes na. It's on Monday. Or do it on Monday. Sa Linggo na. It's next week. Or do it next week. Umaga na. It's morning already. Tanghali na. It's midday already. Gabi na. It's evening already. Alas 5 na. It's 5 o'clock already. You can also use na in short questions requiring definitive answer. Like for example, ano na? What is it now? Or what now? Saan na? Where is it now? Kailan na? When is it now? Paano na? What are we gonna do now? Sino na? Who is it now? Kanino na? Whose is it now? So far in this video, we have talked about how the enclitic particle na is used in Tagalog phrases and sentences. To summarize, they are used in the following. Number 1, when conveying doing a definite action. Number 2, when conveying definitiveness in possessing something. Number 3, when definitively expressing time or expressing doing an action at a definite time. And number 4, when asking questions requiring a definite answer. There are more uses of the enclitic particle na which will take more time to explain. So, I will be covering those in the next video. I hope you'll catch that. And please do leave a like because that will be a great help in growing this channel. Alright? I will be seeing you soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.